So this is an update video of how you do it. Well, how you do it then? The only thing you need, if you want a speaker, if you want headphones, please do this way and see if you have the bass boost enhancement. For example, I have a speaker that supports that, so I can go ahead and do that. So what are you going to do? You are going to right click on the sound icon, then you go to sound. Sorry, I'm Swedish. You go to sound, then you go to playback, then you scroll down to whatever you want. I'm going to go and demonstrate on my microphone. So enhancements, there is bass boost. Like I said, if you don't have bass boost, then use another speaker or another headphones. Some headphones don't support bass boost. Well, what do you do now? You click the box, then you go to settings, then you set the frequency to 50 Hz. Boost level, this is important. In my opinion, if you have headphones, then you can set it to max, and that's 24 decibels. If you have a speaker, you don't want to ruin it by blasting bass, because now my nerdiness comes in here. But a speaker or a subwoofer, it has a coil, and if you play too low hertz on what it can handle, then the coil is going to burn, and you can start smelling smoke and burnt shit. So be aware, set it to around 12 to 18 decibels. If it sounds crappy, then go to 9 decibels. If it's too bad, then you can change the frequency to 75 Hz or 100 Hz. But I don't think a good speaker needs to do that. So just be aware, then click OK, then click OK again, and click OK again. Thanks for me.